So here we are with our robots. Let me take off these pens. So this system here, we got a solar panel. So they're functioning. Got that solar panel. Well, this is our friendly drone. We're doing some work with that. We're going to talk about that separately. And we have another project here. This is the robot. This definitely has a set of camera systems and some sensors. So we're going to be programming on all of these. And then there's the open kit that we're just going to be testing some sensors. Some sensors testing and some things running, because we have another robot that we are working on. Now all of these robots, they have some programs that they come with. We're going to be deleting those, and we're going to be using our creativity to develop or get them to do some other things that we're going to be using for demonstration purposes and for also training purposes. So look out for us. You want to learn robots, you want to understand how robots work, you want to learn how to program robots, then check us out. We have Python programming for robots, we have Java programming for robots, and we're going to give you further instructions as that time come up. But these are some of the robots that we're going to be working with. We're going to put them together. As well, we're going to be teaching you how to print some of these parts using 3D printing.